Okay, so you wanted to see, and I think that's a good question, what the real stuff looks like, because obviously I posted just stock photos on KSL because it was easier. So here's the box. Everything in the box. I did take them out of the box just to try them out. They work great. I ended up realizing they're just not really what I was looking for. I think I'm going to go with some Alexa devices instead. But they sound great. But anyway, so there it is, the Play One set. That's that. Um, so I'll take them out of the box now so you can see them. So they're there, both of them. There's the speakers down there, or not the speakers, but the power cords. So let's. Okay, so there's speaker one. Should be in pristine condition because I just plugged them in and tried them for just a couple times is all. Okay, there's one. There's the other one. Okay, so there's that. So there's that one too. And I've plugged them in. They work great, like I said. Um, if you know anything about Sonos, you know they don't have like auxiliary inputs, and they anyway. So that was something I wanted. Um, anyway, so I just decided they weren't quite what I wanted. So anyway, but they're great. They sound awesome though. They're really great.